Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I finally have time to film an unboxing for KnitCrate, and this is the July KnitCrate, I'm afraid. I'm waiting for August KnitCrate. I thought it would come before filming this video so I could do two in one, but it didn't arrive yet. So I have a bit of time today. It's a beautiful Saturday, sunshine, blue skies, a bit of noise from traffic, but let's hope it's not too disturbing for this session of filming that I have today. So this is KnitCrate for July. I believe is the membership KnitCrate. As you know from my other videos, KnitCrate is a yarn subscription that you pay monthly, and you receive this beautiful box of yarn and sometimes goodies in it. And the reason why I enjoy KnitCrate so much is because you have a set price per month for each membership, for each KnitCrate that you choose to sign up for, and the yarn you're receiving is a lot more than just bottom line. Very, very good value for money. So the membership KnitCrate retails for $24.99 every month. Usually you get 2 skeins of yarn and patterns. So I'm going to open this one up and see what we've got inside. The box, as you can see, is beautiful. It has the Ravelry Instagram and Facebook logo. If you get a KnitCrate and you share, please remember to use hashtag unravel your KnitCrate. So everyone can search for that hashtag and see whatever you shared. It also comes with this beautiful tissue paper that most days I save, and I cut it for the kids to use it for crafting, or I use it myself. And then you open it, and the first thing that you see in your KnitCrate, it will be this little magazine. And usually this magazine contains the patterns for the membership KnitCrate and the sock membership KnitCrate. Sometimes it has more patterns, sometimes less patterns. KnitCrate have been changing the way they share the patterns. It used to be only links at the beginning, and you would have to go to download your links, to use the links to download your patterns. Then they started to put the patterns in little booklets. Sometimes you get a lot more patterns, sometimes you just get the membership patterns in the booklet. But this is for July 2019. As you can see, it looks a bit Christmassy, to be honest. Stars and red yarn. But I believe this is the other colorway for the yarn that I got. Oh my goodness, that's so soft. Let's go inside and see what we've got. On the first page, you will have your contents, table of contents, and then the yarn. And the theme for this month is Colors of Wonder. And as you can see, this is the yarn I received in my KnitCrate. This is the other one, and the red shade and the navy shade. And I believe these other 3 ones are the sock membership, which are gorgeous. That one is just amazing. I love that one. Sorry, you can see it. I love that colorway so much. That one as well. Oh, they're all beautiful. So this yarn that I received, Knitology Glowing Worsted. Which one is it? I believe it's this one. It's got merino wool, silk, and baby alpaca. 1 skein retails for $24.99 US dollars. Now for the whole KnitCrate you pay $24.99. So it wouldn't make any sense to just buy the skeins. It's so much better to just subscribe to KnitCrate and get pretty much double for the money you pay for. The sock KnitCrate is got 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 10% stellina, because of that little glitter that they put in. And we've had this yarn before in the membership and in the artisan membership. It retails for 24 USD as well. And now for the sock membership, you pay less money, but you only get one skein. The patterns, let's look for the patterns. So the first pattern, okay, the first pattern is this one, and it's a cowl, it's a crochet pattern. Then the knitted pattern is a pair of mittens. You could use the sock crate to make a crochet set of booties, or to knit these socks, and I like that pattern, Vargas. But these are the patterns that we get in the booklet. So for the membership KnitCrate, the one that we have here today, you get a crochet pattern and a knitting pattern depending on what you like to do most. I will go for the knitting because I prefer knitting over crochet. Also for the sock membership, you will get two patterns, a crochet pattern and a knitting pattern, depending on what you prefer to do. Now let me just check that I've got everything right. These are the colors of the yarn in the membership KnitCrate for July. So you've got this navy, a beautiful red, and this amazing like dusky greeny aqua color. I don't know what to call it. I think they call it flying trapeze. There it is. The colorway is flying trapeze. These yarns are exclusively dyed for KnitCrate. So one thing that is amazing, KnitCrate gives all my subscribers 20% off your first order. So if you want to buy the yarn yourself, or if you want to order your first KnitCrate, just follow the link in the description of this video and it will take you to Ravelry, and then all you need to do is use coupon code TEO20 to get 20% off your first order. So that's it. And then this is the sock. That's the sock yarn. It's fingering weight, and then you also get the patterns row by row written of all the patterns that I showed you at the beginning. Some patterns they will have charts, and then for a pop-up peek you get this. The dyer and the designer is Lorna Misser. It's I'm not sure what it is actually, but that's the yarn, which has some greens, creams, and this beautiful color there. Yeah, that's at the end of the booklet. And then the last page usually is the theme peek for the following month. So this would be the theme for August. I haven't received my August yet. I will try to film it as soon as it comes so you guys can see it. But as you can see, it's got lots of birds, and I have a feeling the yarn will be like different colors. So we might get a skein with those colors or a skein with that color, and I think it looks amazing. But if you subscribe to my channel, then you will definitely get notifications if you press the bell when I upload my next unboxing video. But so far, oh, there's an extra. Oh, I'm so glad that I got the yarn out to see it. This is the wool, 2 skeins, 100 grams each. I've used this yarn before, is just amazing. It's got a beautiful sheen to it, but the softness is just so soft. This is perfect for baby knits, or like cowls, something around your neck, something close to your skin. Bed socks would be amazing with this. And what I like is that they give you 2 skeins, so you could do 2. I think you could do 1 pair of mittens with 1 skein, so you could do another pair for a friend of yours. Now I am working on a pattern for mittens, so keep an eye on my Instagram. That's where I share the process of the pattern design, in case you're interested. And what I love about KnitCrate is that they send this extra progress keeper. It's got an elephant, so this is kind of like an elephant theme, the elephant color, and that little bead, it's almost identical to the color of the yarn. So it's I know it's not I know it's not that big of a deal what color progress keeper or marker you use, but for Instagram and for photos, it's just cool. So this is done by Mermaid City Yarn, and here I'll just put it up here on the screen where you can find more of these on Facebook or on Etsy. So they have an Etsy shop called Mermaid City Yarn. Yeah, that is the KnitCrate for July 2019, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Please remember to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos, and follow the link in the description to take you to KnitCrate, where you can get 20% off your first order. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.